All right, we're on strip number 7, and this is dealing with writing equations from problem situations. So, number 1 says a balloon is released from the top of a 75-foot building. The balloon rises at a rate of 2 feet per second. Which equation describes the height of the balloon, h, after s seconds? And so in this situation, first of all, I know this balloon is already at the top of a 75-foot building, so I'm just going to draw a rectangle to represent that building. Okay, and so it's already 75 feet up, so that would mean like plus 75. Okay, then it's going to still be rising, so I'm going to draw a picture of a little balloon here, and I'll color it red. So there's our red balloon. So when it takes off, it's taking off, and it's going at a rate of 2 feet per second. And so this is an S here. All right, so if it's going at a rate of 2 feet per second, that means 2s. So this is going to be a part of my equation also. And so my equation could read h equals 2 feet per second, so that's 2s, plus it's already 75 feet high, so plus 75. All right, so that's my equation to represent this situation. So if I'm looking, A cannot be the answer because it doesn't have the right rate. It's going at 2 feet per second, and so it should be 2 times s. So that's why that one is wrong. B has 2 feet per second, but it doesn't include the 75 feet that it's already at above on the top of the building. So that can't be right. Then when I look at letter D, it shows the wrong rate again because it's 75s and it should be 2s because it's 2 feet per second. So D cannot be right. So the right answer choice here is C. All right, number 2, it says, look at the set of ordered pairs. And when you look at the set of ordered pairs, I can see that those are my x and y coordinates. So it says, which of the following shows the correct equation for the function represented by the ordered pairs? So what we're going to do in this situation is, again, we're going to use our calculator to help us. When I see ordered pairs, remember what I taught you. Every time you see an ordered pair or a table, you should go to stat. And so we're going to hit stat. I'm going to hit option 1, and then if I have any old data, I need to go up to the top to L1 and L2 and press clear to make it disappear. And then I'm going to put in my fresh data. So my fresh data would be -8, -6, -4, -2. Then for L2, I'm going to put 3, 2, 1, and 0. All right, now that I have the data in, I'm going to hit stat again, and then I'm going to arrow over to calc. And when I go to calc, I'm going to use option 4. And once I go to option 4, then I'm just going to keep pressing enter until I get to calculate. And once I press calculate, I'll see that the slope A is equal to -5/10. And then I'll see that the y-intercept is equal to -1. So my equation should read y equals -5/10 x minus 1. Okay, and so that matches letter F, or answer choice F. This is the best choice. Of course, I can see letter G, the slope is -2, and that's not right. And so then I can see letter H, they have a slope of -1/4 or -0.25. That's not correct. And here for J, they have a slope of -2, so that's not correct. So the right answer is F.